Okay, let's unpack this. We're doing a deep dive today into, well, a very specific piece of home diagnostic tech.
The gun mold test kit.
Exactly. You asked us to figure out just how quick and reliable this kind of DIY testing can actually be.
And our mission here is really to get past the marketing. We need to break down the mechanics of it.
You mean what's actually in the box?
That's in the box, how you actually use it, and, what the real trade-off is for getting those results they promise.
Right, because the big hook here is the ease of use. It's all about this simple process and getting results on an app.
Which is a huge draw, but let's look under the hood.
So where do we start?
I think we have to start with the hardware itself. The sources are pretty clear, and it says a lot about the business model, actually.
Okay.
You've got two main parts. First, there's the device itself, the base.
The permanent piece.
Exactly. It's the brain of the operation, holds the batteries, you keep it, you reuse it. It's a one-time buy.
Which brings us to the second part, and this is important.
The consumables.
The test cartridges. Now, this is the key thing for you to know, right? The sources say you have to buy one cartridge for every single room you want to test.
Yep, one per room. And that structure isn't just about how it works. It's a deliberate choice. It's about lowering that barrier to entry.
What do you mean by that?
Well, you buy the main base unit once. Then, if you want to test again 6 months later, you're not buying a whole new kit.
You just buy another cartridge.
Right. It encourages you to do repeat monitoring over time. They're kind of optimizing for long-term use.
Okay, so this is where it gets really interesting for me. The actual process. The sources promise it's super easy.
And the physical setup really is minimal. I mean, you put batteries in the base.
Right.
You snap in one of the sealed cartridges.
Okay.
And then you just press a button and let it do its thing. It actively pulls in an air sample.
But wait a minute. If it's just an easy button press, where does the reliable lab-grade result come from? I mean, we usually think DIY means you get an answer right away.
Yeah, and that's the fundamental trade-off here. It's more of a hybrid model.
A hybrid.
The device, the base unit, is just a DIY collection tool. That's all it does. The critical step, the one that's easy to miss, is that you then have to send that used cartridge in to their lab for analysis.
So the do-it-yourself part is just collecting the sample. The actual testing is done by professional.
Precisely. That's where the molecular work or whatever analysis they do happens. You trade immediacy for accuracy.
That clears up a lot. And then the results.
Yeah.
How do they get back to you?
They get delivered through their app. The source calls it a nice app and says it's very reliable.
So you get a notification on your phone with a detailed report of what they found.
Exactly. All the complex lab data is translated into something you can easily read on your phone.
So let's just sum this up. What this means for you is you're buying into a system, really.
A system that pairs a one-time purchase, that reusable base,
With these consumable single-room cartridges.
and it all funnels the complex lab, results into a simple, accessible mobile app.
It's convenience on the front end, professional analysis on the back end.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, that whole architecture, it implies a kind of long-term relationship.
How so?
Well, with the permanent base and the results all tied to their specific app, it really raises a question for you to think about. Is this kit just a one-off diagnostic tool?
Or is it something more?
Or is it the start of a home environmental monitoring service designed to track and aggregate your data over repeated tests? Maybe making that long-term, tracking the true value here, something to consider.